In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best aerial photography drones available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the aerial photography drones mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, FIMI Mini 3 Ultralight 4K Drone. The FIMI Mini 3 is a compact yet powerful 4K drone designed for stunning aerial photography. Weighing just 249 g, it's ultra-portable and easy to carry. With USB-C fast charging, you'll enjoy extended flight sessions. Its AI-powered Super Night video captures breathtaking low-light footage, and strong wind resistance ensures stable flying. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this drone delivers exceptional performance. Number 4, S188 GPS Drone 4K HD Dual Camera. The S188 GPS drone is perfect for aerial photography enthusiasts, featuring a 4K UHD dual camera system with a 180 degrees adjustable front lens. Equipped with a brushless motor for smooth, quiet flights, it offers up to 22 minutes of flight time with a 1600 mAh battery. Its built-in obstacle avoidance system ensures a safe flying experience, while the GPS module enhances stability and precision, making it a great option for capturing professional quality shots. Number 3, Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS 4K Pro Drone. The Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS drone is a powerful quadcopter with an 8K HD camera for ultra-clear aerial footage. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. The drone features Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time FPV streaming, allowing you to view your shots as you fly. With a 30-minute maximum flight time, you can explore and capture stunning views effortlessly. This advanced drone is an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Number 2, L900 Pro C Max 4K Dual Camera Drone. The L900 Pro C Max offers top-tier aerial photography with its 4K UHD camera and 120 degrees adjustable lens. It features 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, GPS Follow Me mode, and an auto return home function for safe and reliable flights. With 5G Wi-Fi FPV, you get seamless real-time video transmission. Whether you're an aspiring videographer or a drone enthusiast, this drone delivers high-quality visuals and a user-friendly experience at an affordable price. Number 1, V168 8K GPS Drone with HD Camera. The V168 drone is a high-performance quadcopter with an 8K HD camera for crystal-clear aerial photography. Equipped with GPS positioning, it ensures precise navigation in stable flight. The 22-minute flight time, powered by a 2000 mAh battery, allows extended shooting sessions. Its foldable design enhances portability, and 5G Wi-Fi FPV provides real-time video streaming. Ideal for adventurers and content creators, this drone is perfect for capturing breathtaking views.